Hello and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a rig tour on my 2005 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is my spare truck, so I don't have all my tools on here, but I try to keep some tools on here just in case my main truck breaks down. So I'll give you guys a tour right now. Okay, we'll start in the cab. Up here we got the upgraded radio, which is kind of nice. Got the dash cam, just in case. And here, just keep some markers and some flashlights and some ear protection. Then we'll go to the back. Down here I keep my spool gun that connects directly to my my engine drive welder. It works pretty good. It does regular steel, stainless, aluminum. I don't use it that often, but sometimes I use it. Over here, right here, I've got like my main tools I use. Got big wrenches for tanks, tape measure, level, some different pliers, hammers, wire brush, another level, some metal chisels. Up here, keep my PPE, keep my welding hood, respirator, welding gloves, welding jacket, fire blanket. Here I keep a long level. So I'll show you in here. I keep some towels, a first aid kit, an eye cleaning kit, some extra filters for my respirator. Okay, go to the other side now. Okay, here's the other side. Not much to it. Got my hose down here for my acetylene and oxygen. Actually, I run propane on this truck. The other truck I run acetylene. Down here, got another red toolbox. And here I just keep kind of some hand tools, so screwdrivers, Allen keys, ratchet set, some fabrication tools, some other tools that I use occasionally, but not very often. I keep all those tools in the toolbox. Right here, got my TIG and MIG consumables. And so here's the TIG consumables. Got my cups, cullets, bodies, tungsten, some other stuff. Here I keep extra quick connects for my stinger and ground. I got some MIG wire. I have a lot of aluminum MIG wire that goes to that spool gun. Extra grounds, extra regulators, some lenses. Put that all in that bag. I got a TIG torch right there. That one hooks directly to my stinger, so I just run DC on this one. Then got my pedal for my other TIG welder. Got my TIG torch. That one I use for aluminum and some thinner metal. Got my, it's kind of hard, it's a little dark down there, but I got my argon hose and my regulator that I normally use down there, and my ground for my TIG welder. Okay, now we'll do the bed. So on the driver's side, got my argon and oxygen. Then I got my my ground, 220 extension. Got 50 foot of that. Got 100. Sorry, it's a little windy out. Got 150 feet of my 110 stinger. Got my reel of hose for die grinders and any air tools. And here I got my torches that I use for propane. Got some spray paint and acetone. Got my TIG welder, MIG welder, 75-25 gas. Got my Lincoln Ranger 260 MPX. Got some grinding bits in there, some flapping discs, stuff like that, grinding wheels, air tools, die grinder, scaler, some coolant for drill bits, some drill bits right there, angle grinder, my 9-inch angle grinder, some drills, and in here I keep my welding rods. Have a small air compressor, some fire extinguishers, and my propane. And up here I also keep some filler wire for my TIG welding. And back here I keep a ladder. And I think that's about it. So that's the tour for my 2005 Chevy Silverado 1500. It's just my spare truck, so it is quite small to be carrying that amount of equipment, but it does fine. I will get you guys a rig tour on my main truck as soon as I get back from the shop. So if you guys ever need any mobile welding, let me know. My number I'll put up on the screen. And I do welding all in Michigan. And I travel out of state too, so if you guys ever need any welding, let me know. So thank you for watching.